September 25th, 2016. You're looking at the USGS current earthquake map. Now, we've had a 5.0 off the coast of Oregon. Notice it's 151 kilometers west-southwest of Gold Beach, Oregon. And then just south of that, the aftershock was a 4.6. That one was at 16.4 K as far as your depth. The larger one, they're saying at 10.0. That Cascadia fault zone is always worth watching, guys, because some of the greatest earthquakes have happened here as far as creating tsunamis. They would crash into the shores of North America and reverberate backwards all the way and into Japan. It's been reported before. But if we go back now, notice at the top left, I've got it set now for 7 days, magnitude 4.5 plus worldwide. And the strong quakes that we've seen, the strongest is the 6.9. Now, this is going back, this was yesterday. You had your aftershocks from that area. You had them around Japan, Philippines. We've had these large quakes all the way through this area. Now, the point of doing the video was that we've been at a very solar minimum. The sun has been extremely quiet. We'll look at some of the images from the SDO and SOHO. And what I'm seeing is the natural progression of earthquakes is if they're left alone. In other words, if it's not a solar flare or coronal mass ejection striking the Earth's shields and creating the quakes, and we've seen it, documented it hundreds of times, if they're not doing it, then the natural rotation of these plates are starting to come to effect. We're starting to see the larger movements. And then the aftershocks. Have you noticed the last few weeks, guys? Again, this is going through 22nd up to today. These are Earth-facing Glasgow C3 images. You'll see Mercury come across the top of the screen. But the sun's been quiet. And we have not had the coronal mass ejections. One bit of news, back in August, they have made recontact with Stereo B, guys. We've been watching Stereo A. B was behind the sun. Now, they're not giving us any images yet, but they have made contact, and that's great. Now, let's look at our hurricane information here. This storm, they're not talking much about it. It's called Invest 97L, but we're going to have to watch it. Right now, it's a 30% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. Environmental conditions are expected to be conducive for gradual development, and a tropical depression is likely to form later this week. Go to the 5-day forecast. Same thing here, except now you're at a 90% chance within 5 days. It's giving you the same information. It's moving northwestward as it moves west by northwest at 15 to 20 miles an hour, which is fast. So we're going to have to watch it. It's also saying watch that tip of the northern coast of South America there, guys. It may skirt there. We're going to look at a couple of different models and spaghetti maps right here. This is Invest 97L is what they're calling it. You've got most of the models extending westward, northwest, right on that track. Now, that red line, which is the BAMM model, coincides pretty well with the Canadian CMC model here. Now, this one shows it turning, going across Cuba as it comes through the islands there. Notice that. Turns, goes up Puerto Rico, the island, and skirts the coast of Florida. Very close skirting, but guys, this will change day to day. Tomorrow they may have it going into the Gulf or up the East Coast altogether. But this is going to be a large storm. We'll look at the radar on it. Now let's go to the GFS model. It doesn't go out as far in time, but it's showing it maintaining the same path right there. As it crosses the islands. And let's look at it. This is